So, here I am again. And this time for real. I booked a one-way ticket to Puerto Vallarta without a timeline and without any strings attached. This smells like freedom. I arrived shortly after Christmas and we had plans for New Year's Eve with some friends. Sayulita is a colorful and creative little town right on the coast, and it was loaded with people from all over the globe to celebrate into New Year. Sayulita is one of 121 pueblo magicos in Mexico. It's a title given from the tourist department for a town of great historical and architectural value. We had a really good time and counted down the last seconds of the old year right on the beach. Kevin told us about another magical place called Yelapa, on the south corner of Bahia Banderas. We totally wanted to check it out, so we set sails and buddy boated together with Kevin and Feet across the bay. All of a sudden, a huge pod of humpback whales checked out Zero and started to play right next to us. Maybe they thought Zero's belly would be a friend. Still loaded with adrenaline, we arrived in Yelapa. At the same time we arrived, there was an environment and music gathering with a stage right on the beach, and the tiny little bay was absolutely crowded. It seemed like a huge party all over the place. Yelapa has been said to be a vortex of energy. It should be on everybody's bucket list. There are no roads, only narrow alleys and a lot of steps winding up the hills. Their transportation choice is easy. Either you take a quad or a donkey. In addition, this area is the most greenest area on the Pacific coast of Mexico. All of a sudden, you are in the lush green jungle, surrounded with lots of waterfalls. We went up a creek and enjoyed the crystal clear and cold fresh water on our feet. After some party nights, we went on to another beautiful and even smaller bay, Boca de Tomatlan, in the southeast corner of Bahia Banderas. It is so much fun to buddy boat with friends. It's like you're a kid again and you can play with your walkie-talkies all day long.
I'm in my zone, can't fail. Got my mindset on grade, like I am home, no doubt. Time to raise it too loud. I'm gonna light up the sky, gonna play it strong. 'Cause I've got that fire inside, lighting up my heart.
Tomatlan, a little tiny bay here on the south side of Banderas Bay.
It's time to get up and go. Life passing by, can't go slow. No, no, we're riding once, then we're done.
It's a deep bay with a pretty steep beach, so anchoring is kinda tricky and some tries may fail.
'Cause I got that fire inside, lighting up my heart.
All set up, we went ashore, but we didn't stay long, just for a day to explore the little village. These days were unbelievably amazing and we had so much fun together. But at some point we decided to go back to the other side of the bay to anchor next to La Cruz. And we were blessed again by Mother Nature.
Couldn't be better. Breakfast with whales in front of us in the anchorage.
mama, papa, and baby whale.
All together. Yeah. Christian is in the water right now. He's trying to swim with them. Ooh, he's so close.
Can't see anything. I was so close I couldn't see him.
You were super close.
Visibility is very bad.
Too bad.
Look, a whale!
Woo! A beluga whale!
Wish that I could stay.
Around the corner, just about half a mile away from La Cruz, there's a little beach, perfect for a bonfire. We took Patch with us, and she had a really good time.
You're a beautiful sight in the summer night, and you can't put up a fight in the misty light. While you roam in the streets all alone.
We started a warming fire, and with Patch in my arm, we looked hours into the flames.
You're a beautiful sight in the summer night, and you can't put up a fight in the misty light.
Next time on Sailing Zero, join us on our way south. We will leave Bahia Banderas to sail on south to Acapulco. Thank you for watching this video. We made this video for you. If you like it, help us on Patreon to make more videos. And don't miss out on all the other great stories. Aloha! Hey, and don't go without clicking here. Love ya!
On the ocean, far away from home, out in emotion, doesn't feel alone. It's just me and my boat. It's just me